The chapter starts at home. Hyun asks, why? Where you're disappointed that it wasn't a good date. He looks at Yuno and says, if you need something, you have to tell Hyun. So he can give it to you, instead of making you bear it alone. Yuno replies, I thought we were going to kiss. Never mind, I can handle it myself. Then Hyun leans in and kisses Yuno. But Yuno pushes him away. Why? What is this? Hyun steps closer, and Yuno says, wait, what happened to you suddenly, Hyun? Hyun answers, because you don't say what you want to say. They kiss again, and Yuno whispers, why? Hyun is giving Yuno a massage. Then Yuno says, no, wait. What is this? Why did this suddenly happen? Hyun is playing with Yuno. Yuno says to Hyun, oh no, wait, Hyun. Hyun stops, coughs, and says, look at yourself. Then he says, I don't think I can do this anymore. Yuno smiles and kisses Hyun. He says, really? Is it okay to do this? It is not even rude. I really want to do it with you, Hyun. Hyun says, yes. Do whatever you want, Yuno. Yuno touches Hyun and says, Hyun, you always get excited when I sleep with you, so you don't remember properly. But every time I did it to you, you said it hurts a lot. Hyun says, yes, I understand. Yuno replies, it won't hurt today. I just want to be happy. Hyun says, wait. Yuno says, I can't wait. So, Hyun, I'm going to do it to you. Yuno and Hyun are shown having a sweet moment together. Yuno says, Hyun, you like doing it with me, right? You liked it, didn't you? Hyun smiles and replies, yes, I liked it. Then Hyun teases him, why are you laughing so shamelessly? Yuno looks at him lovingly and says, won't you kiss me? Hyun holds Yuno's face and says, come here, and starts kissing him. They share a gentle, affectionate kiss. After the kiss, they are shown having another sweet moment together. When they both get tired, they rest for 5 minutes. Then they go to wash up. After Yuno freshen up, Hyun says to him, did you take a bath? I have taken out all the blankets to wash. Hearing the word blanket reminds Yuno of the moment that had just happened between them. He smiles to himself. Hyun rolls his eyes at him and says, it feels weird saying this to you. Yuno asks, but is it really okay for us to sleep here together? Hyun thinks to himself, if I say we are dating, then why sleep separately? He would probably get upset. Then he says aloud, then where will you sleep? Especially without any blanket. Yuno agrees to sleep together. How fickle the human heart is, he thinks. Now that Hyun is actually treating me like a lover, I just want to forget all these complicated thoughts and kiss him. But, will he feel weird? Okay, don't think too much. Hyun then tells Yuno, turn off the light. He kisses him lovingly on the cheek and says, good night, just like a good couple would. Yuno is surprised by the kiss. Feeling warm, he cuddles Hyun. Hyun says, I can't do it anymore. Not even if it is the weekend tomorrow. They cuddle each other and slowly fall asleep. Then we see the coffee shop scene where Yuno tells his boss, I'm back. The boss responds, yes, good morning, and asks how Yuno's weekend went, saying, it looked like it was fun. Your face looks so bright. Yuno replies, what do you mean, bright? The boss says, it is so clear and bright. Yuno then remembers yesterday's incident and says, I like flattering comment about my looks. He said, I finally washed all of Hyun's blankets yesterday and the day before, too. The boss says, let us check the stock today. Yuno replies, okay. Yuno then recalls yesterday's incident with Hyun and says, we are already like beast. Hyun says, I have dried all the blanket. What should we order for food? Yuno responds, I'm feeling sleepy. Should we order now? Okay, I want noodle. Hyun comes up to Yuno and says, Yuno, you are very sleepy, aren't you? Yuno says, I really want to stay, but Hyun. Then Yuno's boss says, Yuno, the table is so dirty, isn't it? It looks like there is a hole in it, ready to break at any time. Yuno replies, I already cleaned the table. The boss asks, is that true? Yuno gets lost in his thoughts about Hyun and says, is all of this because Hyun is so handsome? He is amazing. Hyun, you are a pervert. Then we are shown a scene from a few days ago, where Hyun tells Yuno to stop washing the dishes, saying, I will come back and clean them. Yuno asks, are you going out to smoke a cigarette? Hyun replies, yes. As Hyun start to leave, Yuno says, we will meet later, to which Hyun respond, yes. Yuno then start doing the laundry and says, if I hang all this, will he come back? He continue, doing this makes us look like a newlywed couple. As Yuno begin drying the clothes, he says, we did this yesterday too. I can't even touch it, but Hyun suddenly becomes touchy with me. Then Yuno notice Hyun talking to someone outside. Seeing this, he quickly finishes hanging the clothes and sit on the sofa, thinking, maybe they don't have any kind of relationship. It is normal to talk while smoking. But what if it is a big deal? What can I say? It is not like we are dating properly. Hyun return after smoking and asks Yuno, did you wash and dry the clothes already? He said, let us get it together. Hyun smirks and says, I was late because I wanted to get rid of smoke smell. He then touches Yuno's head and says, your hands dry up so quickly. Yuno replies, stop smoking. Hyun asks, why suddenly? Hey, how long have you been away from? Yuno says again, stop smoking. Hyun responds, what if I don't want to? Yuno firmly replies, if you don't want to, then don't touch me. The scene cuts here. Next, we are shown the coffee shop, where Yuno is thinking to himself, actually, that was childish, don't touch me. Why did I say that? Really? Am I going mad from jealousy? I feel really sad. Just then, Yuno receives a message on his phone. It is a picture of Hyun with text, look at this. Yuno texts back, what is this? Are you hurt? Hyun replies, you don't know what this is, but you are asking me to quit smoking. This is a nicotine patch. What? You said one should quit smoking. Yuno, surprise, thinks, what is this? Is he serious? Customer interrupts, asking to order. Yuno responds, yes. What would you like? The woman replies, Americano. Yuno says, okay, please pay for the order. Then we are shown a scene from Hyun's side. He is looking at his phone and says, I'm really happy. Girl beside him asks, but why did you suddenly stop smoking? Hyun answers, hey, my little brother who lived with me said he hates the smell of cigarettes. Another boy says, so you have stopped smoking. It seems you really love your brother. Both ask, can you tell us what is going on? Hyun replies, I love him. I never thought I would quit smoking one day because of Yuno. He continued, well, I think this is a way to give Yuno a sense of trust. I think his attitude hasn't changed since then. He still acts like a one-legged guard, as if, ready to run away at any time. He can't believe we are actually dating. Well, it started like this. It is like I feel safer quitting smoking. Then we see a scene at home. Hyun says, it's comfortable. I should feel that. He hugs Yuno tightly. Yuno says, Hyun, it's warm. Hyun replies, I know. When AC is at 3 degrees, you feel cold. Let us benefit from each other. Then he says, I will stop myself from smoking because you told me to. Come on, stop moving your legs. Yuno says, are you being too extreme? Hyun reply himself, little. I can't keep my hands still. Yuno tells him, you are really skinship. Then Yuno wonder, wait, is this even a possible reason to quit smoking?